So, g'day people, how you going today? Today I'm at Toolangi Reservoir. You can have a look. The reservoir's actually over that way. But today we just got some expressions for being angry. So, when you're angry, you're angry. Like, yeah. You can be angry over anything. So when you're angry, we have certain ways we can say it. So one way we can say, mad as a cut snake. So, as you know, you've got a snake, it's wiggling along. When you actually cut it, it gets very angry because it's trying to defend itself. So, when someone actually cuts you, you get very angry as well. So that's one way of being angry. Mad as a meat axe, meat axe, chop, chop, chop. And that is how you can go, ah! And a meat axe is actually used as a weapon as well. And you can cut people with it, so that's being mad as a meat axe. Another one is being angry as a frilled lizard. So frilled lizard is actually a type of drake, and it lives up in northern Australia. And it actually has like a frill that comes out. If you ever see Jurassic Park, the first one, you see those dinosaurs in the car. I can't remember what dinosaurs they were. And when with that fat guy in the car, and when it got angry, the frill just come out. That's basically what it is. So mad as a frilled lizard, and the frilled lizard uses that to make itself look bigger and more threatening when it gets angry or when it gets in danger. So that's been mad as a frilled lizard. Another one is mad as a maggot. So I'm not too sure why they use this one, mad as a maggot. In AFL use white maggots for the umpires, but mad as a maggot. Maggots don't seem to be mad, they just seem to be eating a dead animal. Basically, so I'm not too sure. So mad as a maggot, and mad as a hornet. So hornet looks a bit like a bee or a wasp, and when you make it angry, it actually attacks you multiple times because their stinger doesn't come out. And we don't have many of them here. We have more like European wasps. So that is some expressions about being mad or angry. Is in So what I like is mad as a frilled lizard. So how would you say? You go up to someone, they're very angry, say, well man, why are you mad as a frilled lizard? Settle down. Life is beautiful. So you can use it in any sentence in which you use being mad in. So please don't be mad as a frilled lizard. Be happy as a quokka. Happy as a quokka. You have a look at the quokka, they're like this all the time. Because they don't really have any natural predators. So, don't be angry as a frilled lizard, alright? Or a cat snake. Hooroo.